Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install and uninstall fonts on laptop. First, somewhere on the desktop, right-click to select the Personalize option. There you will open the Fonts option. Now you can navigate between the different fonts available to be used on your laptop. If what we want is to install more fonts, we will go to the font file we have. If they are files in compressed format, we will decompress them. After that, we will drag the font file to the Browse and Install Font section and drop it. After that, we will see our installed font. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we want to uninstall a source, click on the top 3 dots and choose Uninstall. Then we will confirm the action. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.